Hey, my name is Matt Benzik with Benzik Designs, and today we are going to go through the assembly of the NASCARD.shop 1/24th diecast display stand. So once you receive your diecast display stand in the mail, the first thing we want to do is verify that all components have shipped. In your packaging, you should receive a front tire holder, a rear tire holder, a crossbar, the NASCAR.shop branded front placard, your one-touch trading card holder, and the trading card holder mount. Additionally, there will be a hardware package with 2 long screws and drywall anchors for wall mounting, 1 short screw for mounting of the card holder, and then a magnetic component for holding the one-touch display in place when it is mounted. For today's setup, I am displaying my number 29 Brad Keselowski Racing Cooper Standard Ford F-150 with my Ryan Blaney signed Fanfare Autos card. Now this card is a vertical orientation, so on the one-touch display holder, I will be setting up my mount in the vertical orientation. Now, if your card is a horizontal or in landscape, just rotate it 90 degrees and it'll work perfectly. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my holder and my support, get them preliminary aligned, and then I'll take the short screw and screw it into the mount. Now when you tighten this up, it just has to be tight. Don't over crank it because that can damage the stand. Once we have that, we're going to set it aside, and then we'll set up the diecast display. First, I take the rear wheel support and then the crossbar. The crossbar has a bevel on the back top corner, so we want to place them like such. Now, this will require some force to push together. It's designed to not need fasteners, so there is some interference. Don't worry, you will not break it. Push the 2 together, push the 3 together, I guess, and you want to make so there is minimal gap between the back piece of the crossbar and the side, each of the side pieces. So we heard that final click. These are all touching. The stand is ready to go. Now all we have to do is push our mount and get our card display set up. And then we can place our card in. Now, the card by itself is a little flimsy, so that's where we have this component here, which is our magnetic support. Hold the card and slide in place. If it does not want to hold in place, flip it 180 degrees and it'll snap in. Now the card is well held in. We can put our car, truck on the stand and then slap on our NASCAR.shop faceplate.